Welcome to 2801 Westmore Street. This amazing property has 3 different units currently. A main owner's suite that's right here. There's a separate video tour of that does not include this whole lower level, which he currently rents out via Airbnb. And it doesn't include a tour of the basement apartment. Which also is rented short term. There's a detached unit in back that I'll show you the exterior of. There's photos of all of these too. But this is the main unit the owner currently uses as his own. The lot goes out to the corner. There's fancy new developments going in down there, and the Whitewater Park is just down the street. Well, there is a separate owner video of this unit. Look at this gorgeous kitchen that he just redid. It's 2-bedroom plus this pass-through office and an amazing master suite up there. And then that door over there goes down to another whole lower level that he currently rents out on Airbnb, but it's a part of the main house and probably could be used that way very easily, probably would be. Now, the rented basement apartment has proper egress, and there's tons of storage and access to the house. But as you see, there's this whole detached building, fully separate, with a couple accesses that's 2 stories and has 2 different balconies, and it's occupied by long-term tenants who make the most of this amazing location, biking around town, kayaking, and enjoying the Whitewater Park just down the road. This detached unit also has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it also has a whole laundry area of its own and a second whole driveway here, as you see. This driveway comes out to Stewart, on Stewart, where again there's that new development going in right down there, and we're just down the road from the roundabout, and the brand new Simplot Whitewater Park is just down there. Thanks for taking the tour. Don't forget to check out the interior tour, and we have photos of all of the different units. The shed does not go with the property, that's the tenants, so that will one day move if they ever do.